Good morning friends. In this video we are going to solve a different problem of center of gravity of the T section. Find the center of gravity of the T section shown in figure. We have given a T section. We need to find the centroid for this T section. First of all, let us split the given T section into two parts. And meet the diagonals of the two sections and made a centroid for both the sections. We are taking this section as 1 and these as 2. Now by using of these T, we are going to find center of gravity x bar and y bar. In the previous video we have studied about the centroid and center of gravity. In that I have explained you that for finding the centroid at center of gravity we need to find the x bar as well as y bar. Solution: that for finding x bar we are having an equation that x bar is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 by a1 plus a2. Here we are considering this equation that by observing the diagram we can increase this equation. Here we are having only two sections, for that I am taking a1 a2. If we are having I section, means in that I section we can get three sections, then you can increase this equation into a3 x3. As we are having in T section we are having only 2. We have splitted this diagram into two parts. As we are having only two parts, we are taking the equation as a1 x1 plus a2 x2 by a1 plus a2, and y bar is equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 by a1 plus a2. For finding the centroids x bar we are having an equation here, and for finding the y bar we are having an equation here, a1 y1 plus a2 y2 by a1 plus a2. As the centroids, both the parts of the centroids are coinciding each other, we are going to form a symmetry in y axis. If the symmetry had formed, means if the symmetry had formed in the y axis, we need to calculate only y bar. If the symmetry has been formed in x bar, means we are going to neglect y bar and we are calculating only x bar. Now in this diagram we have formed a symmetry in y axis. For that we are calculating only y bar, then the x bar is going to be 0, means no need of calculating x bar. Now we are trying for y bar. In y bar we are having a1 y1 plus a2 y2 by a1 plus a2. Now I am calculating for a1. a1 is equal to L1 into B1 is equal to, in the diagram itself he has given for 1 the x bar is 2 centimeters and y bar is 3 centimeters. Hence we can write these as 2 into 3 is equal to 6 centimeters square. And I am trying for a2. a2 is equal to, a2 means we need to take the second part in the t section. For as this is also the second part is also triangle. For triangle the area is L2 into B2. Here in the t section the length, here we are having 3 centimeter into breadth 10 centimeter is equal to 30 centimeter square. As in the equation we are having a1, we have got a1 and a2, and we have got a1 and a2. Now I am trying for y1. y1 is equal to, y1 is equal to, as for calculating for y bar in the diagram we need to go from bottom to top. We need to take the symmetry, or we need to consider the line from bottom to top, or if we are considering for x-axis we need to take from left to right. For calculating y bar we need to go from bottom to top, and if we are calculating for x bar we need to take from left to right. As I am calculating for y bar we need to go from bottom to top, means these 2 centimeters we are taking as x1, and these 3 centimeters as y1, and these 10 centimeters as y2, and these as x2. As the y1 is above the 10 centimeters we are taking here that 10 centimeters plus y1 is equal to 3, for which we are calculating that should be divided by 2. We are trying for y1. As we are trying for y1, that y1 should be divided by 2, means we are having this, we are dividing these first section into 2 parts. For that we are having 3 by 2 is equal to 10 plus 2 ones are 2, 1.0, 2 5s are 10, means 1.5 is equal to 11.5 is y1. And now we are calculating for a2. y2 is equal to, from bottom when we are checking for y2 we are going from bottom to top, therefore y2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Substitute a1 y1 and a2 y2 values in the y bar equation. Y bar is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 by a1 plus a2. We are having here a1 is equal to 6 centimeters. 6 into a1 y1 plus a2 y2. We are having y1 is equal to 11.5 plus a2 we are having here 30 centimeter, 30 into 5 divided by a1 is equal to 6 plus a2 is equal to 30. Therefore 11.5 into 6 is equal to 6 by 30. 6 7 8 9 6 1 is 6, 69 plus 150 by 36 is equal to 150 plus 69 is equal to 219 divided by 36. Y bar value is equal to sum x. Hence we have y bar is equal to 8.545 centimeter. Hence we have calculated centroid for T section. Thank you.